Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making Pineapple Fluff. This is a sweet and delicious dessert that combines cream cheese, pineapple, mini marshmallows, and cherries. So let's get started. Drain 1 cup of maraschino cherries on paper towels. Then cut each one in half and then set them aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. Beat this until it's smooth. Then add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Now beat this together until it's well combined. Next, add 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple drained. Stir this together. Then add 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping and 2 cups of mini marshmallows. Gently fold this into your mixture. Finally, fold in your maraschino cherries. Now, just cover this and refrigerate it for several hours or preferably overnight before serving. And here it is, Pineapple Fluff. This is an easy and delicious dessert to serve during the holidays or anytime. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Then, okay, get this. Oh, I did that twice. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Then add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Add your 2 cups, oh, not 2 cups, 1 cup. This is an easy and delicious dessert to serve. Yeah. This is an easy and delicious recipe. Oh,